to the ignition and step on the gas.
What a going, guys. Welcome again back to another Let's Go JA Tours. And today we're going to be taking a trip down Duhaney Drive and we're headed to Perkins Boulevard. Now this route is a very popular route if you want to bypass Washington Boulevard and you're heading to Red Hills, Meadowbrook Estate or Meadowbrook or Havendale. You can also use this route to go to Cotton Spring as well. So don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe so to help this channel grow so we can continue to give you contents like this. So now relax, drink a red stripe and enjoy the ride. So we're now in the community of Duhaney Park, and then to our right you'll see the Duhaney Park Police Station. The road coming up on your right is Waterhouse Drive. This road will take you back to Washington Boulevard. And then on your left is Baldwin Crescent. This road will take you to the Duhaney Park Health Center, as well as the Duhaney Park football field, as well as the environments around that side, which is Brook Valley. And on your right, you'll see Sherlock Crescent, and that is the stomping grounds for our famous dancehall artists Conscience and Baby Sham. So we're now out of Duhaney Park and we're now entering into Patrick City. now coming up on the community of Meadowbrook Estate. To the left, there's a recently built apartment complex with 24-hour gated security, and the swimming pool. We'll be taking the left right turn and we're heading down Perkins Boulevard. Coming up on our right is a newly developed apartment complex still being built. Apartments starting from $18 million upwards. The left is the community of Queens Hill.
What we do here is go back.
We're now coming to the end of our tour, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can continue to give you content like this.
Big